Drowning is one of the leading causes of death. Not anymore. Introducing 1UP, the first truly portable and ultra-compact life preserver that can be thrown exactly where it's needed. Once it hits the water, it self-inflates instantly. It's just as safe as a traditional life preserver, but it's 20 times smaller. 1UP's small size isn't just convenient, it's practical. It fits easily in backpacks, glove boxes, and beach bags, so you can always bring along peace of mind and keep you and your family safe every time. 1UP is simple and intuitive, allowing anyone to help when it's needed, no matter who you are or where you live. Boating outings, fishing, beach days, vacations, water sports. 1UP helps everyone make a difference by preventing drownings in their area. Its size and weight were carefully chosen to allow anyone to throw it precisely, even in strong winds or currents. It's a domestic security device that will change the concept about water safety measures. 1UP makes it easier for you to be part of the solution by making water safety simple and preventing accidents. Because it inflates on water contact, you can use it in 2 different ways. You can throw it easily and safely from long distances, or you can directly enter the water with 1UP and swim to the rescue zone if necessary. When you purchase 1UP, you'll receive the self-inflating reusable float, a carabiner for added convenience, a waterproof cover to protect it and guarantee its durability, and a sticker to signal the presence of 1UP in the area. 1UP is the world's most convenient, advanced life preserver that lets you bring peace of mind with you wherever you go. Be part of the solution. Get your 1UP today at oneupsaves.com. 1UP and get an extra life.
From the creators of WOW World of Water Sports comes the WOW Sound Speaker, the ultimate outdoor waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker designed with premium sound. With our long history of water sports products, we wanted to develop a rugged audio product that would complement our existing product lineup. A unique-looking design and a strong feature set were key considerations in the development of the WOW Sound Speaker. We needed it to be rugged enough to withstand any kind of outdoor condition, but also have a functional form factor so that we could provide quality sound and features that were unique from any other speaker in the category. The WOW Sound Speaker has 4 omnidirectional hi-fi speakers with a 4-inch passive bass for booming sound. You can also connect up to 2 WOW speakers to give an amazing surround experience to any outdoor activity. It is IP67 certified waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof. It easily fits into standard cup holders with 50+ hours of continuous play and battery life, longer than any other speaker on the market. Ideal for use in any outdoor setting, the WOW Sound Speaker was designed for active lifestyles. The Easy Hold handle makes it light and easy to carry. It's submersible in water and floats in case you lose your grip. The WOW Sound Speaker is perfect for almost any outdoor activity, including boating, paddleboarding, camping, hiking, at the pool, and even at barbecues. 360-degree LED lights illuminate any situation with 3 settings. The WOW Sound Speaker is ready for production. Our global team is ready to launch and get this ultimate outdoor portable speaker to you quickly. All we need is your support to make the WOW Sound Speaker come to reality. Support this campaign and help us bring WOW Sound to you. With more than 50 hours of battery life, the WOW Sound Speaker can come with you on any adventure. Thank you for your support.
We love our dogs, and we want to take them with us everywhere, and they want to be with us. But getting out the door wasn't always that easy. That's why we designed the spruce bed. We wanted something we could put all their gear in, zip it up, and get out the door. It needed to travel well. It needs to take cozy on the road. be as durable as our own gear, and have extra features that no other bed has. We want to make great products for dogs and their people.
We're both designers, and we've created tons of products for lots of different companies. But now we're excited to make products for us, and you and your dogs. We've got production-ready beds that we've tested and tried in the real world. We're ready to launch. We need your help to afford this first production run. We've got tons of great rewards, so please, click the link and help us make a smarter bed for you and your pup.
Just because you're camping doesn't mean you have to rough it. Camp in comfort and style with a rugged cabin tent from Kodiak Canvas. Whether you're going to the campground with a family or hunting camp with your buddies, the Kodiak Canvas cabin tent is well suited for the occasion. These four-season tents are well constructed and designed for function and keeping you comfortable no matter the conditions, be it sun, rain, or snow. All Kodiak Canvas tents use top-of-the-line materials and components. Our cabin tents are made with premium-grade HydraShield 100% cotton duck canvas. The tight weave and silicone finish make the canvas watertight yet breathable, minimizing condensation and mugginess. Unlike canvas tents of years past, our canvas will not wick water. Watertight and breathable means you stay more comfortable. Seams are double-stitched, and corners are reinforced for added strength to stand up to strong winds and heavy snow. The frame is built with 1-inch galvanized steel tubing and have welded braces reinforcing the corners. The high-quality zippers will withstand demanding use, and the floor is a heavy-duty, puncture-resistant 16-ounce vinyl that keeps water out. The solid steel 12-inch stakes are ideal for hard or even rocky ground. Not only are our cabin tents well made, they are loaded with lots of great features. A large front door and a side entry offer convenient access. The 7.5-foot tall ceiling and steep walls provide a roomy interior with stand-up, walk-around comfort. 5 extra-large windows provide openness and excellent airflow, while the versatile sidewall can be zipped open or extended out as a small side awning. A spacious 8 by 8.5-foot awning creates the perfect picnic or living area. An optional screen enclosure or wall enclosure can be purchased separately for added protection from the weather or insects. When minimal setup is desired, the tent can be pitched without the awning. Make the best of your time spent in the outdoors by camping in America's best-selling canvas tents, Kodiak Canvas.
I want you to jump like you trying to get stuck in the air. If you feeling so lit and don't care, shorty beat in the face in the mirror, up in the air. I want you to jump, 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 up in the air. I want you to jump, jump. Like you trying to get stuck in it. In the air. Like you trying to get stuck in the air. I want you to jump like you trying to get stuck in the air. If you feeling so lit and don't care, shorty beat in the face in the mirror, up in the air. I want you to jump like you trying to get stuck in the air. If you feeling so lit and don't care, shorty beat in the face in the mirror, up in the air. I want you to jump. I want you to jump, 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 jump.